Hi again, everybody. It's Daniel with Screenly, joining you again with the Getting Started video series. One thing I'd like to drill down on for this video is our concept of screen groups and group labels. It was previously also called tags. You might see that bouncing around our interface as well. The idea of group labels is we want to empower teams to be able to manage their digital signs at scale quickly and easily. And so, what group labels do are they allow you to treat a group of screens as one, and instead of going screen by screen, you can manage that group altogether, whether that's changing content, playlist, disabling screens, so forth. So, you can see on the screen where the group labels are. So, this is part of all screens that are in landscape mode and the all group of screens. But if we wanted to add to that, um, to those group labels, we can do that easily. So we just click edit. And if we want this screen to be on a group with other screens for level 1 screens, we just quickly create that label and we save it. And then it's part of that screen's group. And so you can then do really interesting things. For example, if you have a playlist here, you can play it on particular screens, but you could also just select the group label. So instead of having to go screen by screen, which would be very difficult in deployment, where, for example, there are 20 screens on the ground level of a department store, you can just quickly select this, save, and then that's it. You then save the playlist to run on all screens on that level 1. So it's a real power feature, and many of our customers get a lot of use out of it, and it really multiplies their time because they're able to get more done with less. So that's the concept of group labels with Screenly. Thank you.